Hello students, today we discuss the expansions from the textbook of Frank EMU textbook class 9th. So students, these are the formulas which we use in this exercise. Okay, now come to the question number 1. Okay, so the question number 1 is exercise number 3A. Okay, this is your exercise. The first question is expand the following. Okay, this is your very first question and it is very easy topic. You can concentrate and all the questions are very simple. Okay, so the question is 3a plus 5b whole square. Okay, so we see in this formula. Okay, so the first formula is a plus b whole square. When you see this question, that is a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, when we solve any question, we read it carefully. Okay, so you see that the question is 3a plus 5b whole square. So the value of a is 3a and the value of b is 5b. Okay, so we put this question in this formula, that is a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now how we solve it? The value of a is 3a whole square plus 2, that is 3a into 5b plus 5b whole square. Okay, now we expand it, that is 3a into 3a plus 2 into 3a into 5b plus 5b into 5b. Okay, this is the first term, second term and this is the third term. Okay, after multiplying, what we get? 9a square plus 3 2s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. Now 5 5s are 25b square. This is your first answer. Okay, now the second question is 4a minus 7b whole square. When we see this question, you know this formula, na? A minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, and what is the value of a here? That is 4a. And what is the value of b here? That is 7b. Okay, now put this formula, 4a whole square minus 2 into 4a into 7b plus 7b whole square. The next step is 4a into 4a minus 2 into 4a plus 7b plus 7b into 7b. Okay, so after calculation we get 4 4s are 16, that is 16a square minus 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56 ab plus 7 7s are 49 b square. This is your second one. Okay, now come to the third one. Third one is very simple. 2a 5b 5b upon 2a whole square. Okay, again we implies this the formula again, that is a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is the value of a here? That is 2a upon 5b. And what is the value of b here? That is 5b upon 2a. Okay, so that is the value of a is 2a upon 5b whole square minus 2 into the value of a is 2a upon 5b into 5b upon 2a plus b, that is 5b upon 2a whole square. Okay, after when we expand it, just like C. 2a upon 5b, okay, into 2a upon 5b minus 2 into 2a upon 5b into 5b upon 2a plus 5b upon 2a into 5b upon 2a. Okay, you see that this will be cancelled to each other. Okay, so the next step is that is 4a square upon 25b square minus 2 plus 25b square upon 4a square. This is your answer. Okay, now come to the fourth one, that is 2ab plus 3cd whole square. Again we implies this formula. Okay, now the value of a is 2ab and the value of b is 3cd. Okay, so what is a here? That is 2ab whole square plus 2 into 2ab multiplied by 3cd plus b square, that is 3cd whole square. Okay, when we expand it, that is 2 into 2ab into 3cd plus 3cd into 3cd. Okay, so our answer is, that is 2 2s are 4, a square b square. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. That is a b c d, and the third term 3 3s are 9, c square d square. This is your answer. Now come to the fifth one, that is 2a cube plus 5b square whole square. Okay, now again the value of a is 2a cube and the value of b is 5b square. Yes, this is the question. Now put this formula, 2 into a, that is 2a cube, into b, that is 5b square, plus that is 5b square whole square. Now the answer is 2a. This will multiply according to the indices rule. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, and this will be a cube and b square. So a cube b square plus 5b square, that is 5 into 5, and this b will be raised to 4. This is your answer. Now come to the sixth one, minus 2a minus 5b whole square. Okay, again a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So the value of a is minus 2a and the value of b is 5b. Okay, no, that is minus 5b. So so that's the, according to the formula, that is equal to minus 2a whole square plus 2 minus 2a minus 5b plus minus 5b whole square, that is equal to 4a square plus 20ab plus 25b square. This is your answer. Okay,